Hello, thank you for watching my video. Today we are in Scottsboro, Alabama, visiting the Unclaimed baggage store, where they get all the luggage that is not claimed after 90-something days. It was an adventure.
And it's truly a blessing in our community. The overall mission to redeem the lost, the unclaimed, and rejected for the glory of God truly does resonate with every part of our organization, but I think it's especially so in redeeming God's children and giving them a second life, supporting a host of missions around the world. We are the top provider for Lions Club International. They give eyewear to folks all over the world in need of sight.
This place was a lot bigger than I had imagined. They had maps, and they had the division of the men's, the women's, and children's. And I started out in the men's, and in front of the men's, there are the books, the backpacks, and luggage. And the luggage was reasonably priced. Actually, everything was. The higher the name brand cost, they were a little bit more expensive, but still it was a lot cheaper than what you would get at the store. And some of the things were brand new. It was an adventure. I mean, it was so fun. We spent 3 hours looking over this place, and there's not just this building. There is a second building, as you'll see later on in the video. But they also have, if you get hungry or thirsty while you're shopping, need a break, they have this place. We didn't eat in there. We were too busy shopping. But there is an upstairs that has men's. It also has electronics. There are so many phones that have been cleared and are ready to use. They had tablets, computers. They had the swimming stuff. They even had hockey sticks. I just can't imagine. There was a lot of hockey sticks that travel. I mean, they get their items from the airports, the subways, and trains that have not been claimed after so many days. And it was just an adventure to see the type of things that people travel with. People come from all over the United States. They would name out certain states and welcome you. If you do get a buggy, if you plan on shopping, if you go upstairs, there is a ramp. I took it down just to show you. There is a ramp, thank goodness, because if you have a buggy, you couldn't shop upstairs. Coming down, look how many men's shoes. And I know men do not pack as many shoes as women do. So this must mean that guys don't claim their luggage. There was a lot of jewelry, their watches, I mean, you name it. But they had it separated by T-shirts, dress shirts, the short sleeve dress shirts, the men's jackets. I mean, it was very neat. Some people don't put their things back where they belong, so there was a lot of stuff that was not where it should have been. There was jewelry. The Hubs and I looked at it. He ended up buying me a beautiful necklace. It was silver, and it was just beautiful. They do have the name brand purses and the cheaper brand purses. And the ladies' shoes, oh my goodness. They had every brand that you could think of. Some were new, some were slightly used. They're all clean. They said on the video that they try to clean everything that comes in there. They do have fitting rooms. They allow you 10 items to take back, because I did try on a few. And this little seating area here with the TV, I guess is for the men to wait on the wives. They have a museum of some of the unique and very expensive items that have been found and left. Some of the owners have been contacted and are still letting them use it. They had something from the movie Labyrinth. It was neat. I mean, huge things. They had a signed basketball from Michael Jordan. It was just neat to see all this. It was fun. And my husband does not like to shop. It was his idea to go, and he wants to go back. And he said it was fun and very interesting. He did a lot of filming for his channel. I shopped and didn't get the short clips. That's why I'm having to voice over, because they play loud music. But if you want a more in-depth view with the prices of how some items are, he got those. And his channel, which I'm on it too, is Nations Travels, and it's interesting. He was very excited. Yes, they have a lot of photo ops. It was fun. Had to do too. It says, I was found at Unclaimed Baggage. There I am checking out. It was on a Saturday and it was crowded. Here we are walking to the second building, which is called the Bargain Basement. And there is the more used items. They don't look as new. And it's for items that have stayed in the main store longer than they put them out there. And to me, there's like 3 or 4 rooms. And the very last room is like digging through items at a flea market or a yard sale. And it's the items that they have put together, like pencils. The Hubs bought some shipping tape with duct tape, with journals and notebooks. It was all packaged in a big bag, and I think we gave like $3 for it. Here you have a men's section, and there was a little tiny small section. This is the section I'm talking about where things are clearanced. And we ended up buying some things from there. I got a brand new oversized Minnie Mouse beach towel. We ended up getting a travel humidifier, and it does work. I have tried it out. We ended up getting, I can't remember what all, but this is where I found all the travel things that they put together. I guess where they found them all in a suitcase. There was magnets, t-shirt, hats, mugs from New York, from Jamaica, even something from Australia. I feel bad for the people that lost their luggage that traveled there, but there is bed comforters, sheets, I mean, a little bit of everything. And it's, I wouldn't say junky, but it's not organized as it was in the main store. There's even artwork. There were so many hair dryers, hair straighteners, curling irons. I mean, stuff in boxes. They did say on the video that they do buy the freight that is shipped that is unclaimed, and I guess that's where some of the larger items come from. But it was very interesting, and I hope you enjoyed this video. It was very fun to make, and I mean, I'm amazed I got this much, but I had a little help with the Hubs because I really wanted to shop. And if you go, these blue tubs, I guess, to me was one of the funnest things to dig through. And there's the Hubs. He got our stash. I stood in line at the first store. He stood in line at the second store. And we had a ball. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please leave me a comment. And if you hadn't already subscribed to my channel, I would greatly appreciate it and would love to have you on our next adventures, because we try to find different things to do. My content will be good, clean, fun. If you're wondering about how crowded it is on a Saturday, it is packed in that store. And here's the parking lot, and there's parking in the back and on the other side of the building. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give someone a smile. Have a good one.